Hello and welcome back, my friends. Today I have a product review video to share with you. We're going to be going over the Ryobi 40-volt VacAttack. This is a cordless leaf vacuum / mulcher. You're not going to want to miss this. Stay tuned. So first things first, just want to make you aware I'm not sponsored by Ryobi. This is just an independent review. I want to share with you my experience and opinion on this product. So I decided to go ahead and pick up a leaf vacuum because, well, I've got a lot of leaves throughout my garden, throughout my yard, and I wanted a more efficient, ergonomic way to do some of this yard cleanup and hopefully save some time as well. So after scouring online and researching various products to see which one would best suit my needs, I decided on this Ryobi here. So the VacAttack is part of the Ryobi 40-volt tool series. The tool runs using a Ryobi lithium-ion 40-volt battery. Now you can purchase this tool with or without the battery pack. Perhaps you've already got some other Ryobi power tools that use the 40-volt battery, where you can just switch that battery pack on over to whatever tool you're using. I opted to actually pick up another 40-volt battery with this tool, even though I already had one, because I like to have two batteries that I could switch. That way I'm never going to get stuck and run out of power, which could be a setback when it comes to using battery-powered lawn and garden equipment. So one of the best features of this product is the metal propeller that mulches down the leaves and small sticks and other debris that you're vacuuming up throughout your yard, creating a nice fine mulch that's just perfect for using around the plants in your garden. Because of the mulching feature, as you're going along, you're actually shredding down up to 16 bags worth of leaves down to just one bag. So you can get a lot of work done in between emptying out the contents of the bag. Another great feature of this product are the wheels located at the base of the suction portion of the vacuum. This makes it very easy if you're vacuuming up around your driveway to roll the leaf vac along, which makes it quite ergonomic to get your task done. And one of the things I absolutely love the most about this product is the fact that I can get out there and get this yard work done, clean up the yard without using a leaf blower during the dry season, which just blows dust all around the air. You're breathing it in, you're dirtying up the cars. So during the dry weather especially, using a leaf vacuum all by itself is going to keep that dust down. Now there's 3 speeds on this vacuum. It has a low, medium, and high setting. I generally use it on the high setting. It has a very powerful vacuum, and I like to gauge how close I'm putting the actual suction portion of the vacuum to the ground based upon what it is that I'm taking up, whether it's leaves, smaller wood chips. But once you get the feel for it, you really become one with the tool, and it becomes a joy to use. This vacuum also makes quick work and does a wonderful job around pathways, especially if you're using smaller rock, pebbles, because the vacuum will easily take up the lighter debris, the leaves, small wood chips and such, but leave behind the rocks. It also makes quick work out of cleaning leaves and other debris that gathers around the street gutters near your car, in front of your home. Now, if you're like me and you like growing living mulches around some of your other plants as a means to stop any erosion, keep the soil nice and moist and protected from the sun, then you probably come across the issue where leaves fall into some of those living mulches and can be quite a pain to clean out. Not with the leaf vac. I can easily go over my ground covers and collect those leaves in a matter of no time. Now over on this area of the driveway, we've got some fallen pine cone debris, and the Ryobi VacAttack makes quick work out of cleaning lightweight items like parts of a pine cone as well. Now I've got some outdoor carpeting that I use on my patio that can get some larger debris on there that you wouldn't want to vacuum up with a traditional vacuum. So what I found is using this Ryobi VacAttack, I can go over and get up all the larger debris and then follow that up by vacuuming with a traditional vacuum. And this works wonderful, keeping my outdoor patio area nice and clean. So now let me show you what the mulch looks like that comes out of the bag. The bag's very easy to open up and empty. Keep in mind, if you are vacuuming up a lot of dry materials, it's going to have some dust in there. But just a quick dump of the material inside is all you need to do. No need to shake that bag and create a dust cloud of any sort. And just look at this. Absolutely beautiful organic material that I can add to my compost bin or mulch around some of the plants in my garden, which in the end is saving me money from having to buy any commercial product to perform this task, and it helps to build my soil and soil tilth. One last thing I'll mention here, I'm able to get about 25 to 30 minutes of runtime on high with one battery. That's more than enough time for myself, but you may have a larger landscape, so you want to take that into consideration and perhaps use the technique that I've employed, having 2 batteries so you always have a backup fully charged, ready to go if you need it. With that being said, my friends, I got to give this product a 9.5 out of 10. I'm extremely happy overall with this product. Well, that's going to do it for this review, my friends. I do appreciate you tuning in. Be sure to check the links down below if you want to learn more about this product or pick one up for yourself. So with that, thanks for watching. Have yourself a great rest of the day. Until next time, this is Dan from PlantAbundance.com. Take care. I'll be talking to you again soon.